Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis video. In this video we are going to do some fresh live analysis of gold, and we will also share our trading ideas of gold for intraday trading. But first of all, we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we gave in yesterday's video. If you did not watch that video, please go to our YouTube channel FxFaisal and watch that video. In that video we did this analysis and we gave our trading ideas that we will open a sell trade in this supply area, but before that we have another supply area on H1 time frame, and we open a sell trade. We open a live sell trade in this supply area almost here. Our SL was above this supply area and TP was almost here. So our SL was I think 50 pips. So market hit our SL. That's not a problem. SL is the part of the game. Another one, we said that we will open a sell trade in the next supply area. So I put my sell limit order at 18-17, but market didn't touch this supply area and comes back. So our entry was missed. So now we are going to do some fresh live analysis, and we are going to discuss about our today's plan. If you are new to this channel, please like this video, and if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. In this channel we upload daily live forex analysis, and we also share our trading ideas of gold, GBP/USD and GBP/JPY for intraday trading. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So basically we have this supply area. It can work. So basically I'm looking for a sell trade in this supply area. If market come in this supply area, I will open a sell trade. But the other side, if you can look on H1 time frame, so this was the trend line. Market break this trend line, come down. Now market is retesting this trend line. So here two things can happen. First one is that if market, let me come on M30 time frame, we have this resistance level, this one. Yeah, perfect. If market break this resistance level and comes again above this trend line, then there's a high probability chance that market will go in this supply area again. Sorry. Here. If market break this resistance level and close above this trend line, and there's a high probability chance that market will come in this supply area. And if market come in this supply area, then we can open a sell trade, because this is a nice setup. So basically if market come in this supply area, we can find a nice sell entry. Our TP should be almost here. If market comes down from this supply area, then there's a high probability chance that market will go down at this point. Okay, so now move on. Another one, that we have another trend line on M30 time frame here. So if market break this, one second, here, if market break this level, comes down, retest this level, then there's a high probability chance that market can go down towards that level, almost here. This is our long-term target, but for intraday trading you can get 20 to 30, 40, 50 pips easily. You can get 50 pips in gold very easily. So I think let's move on H4 time frame. Yeah, here. So first of all, on H1 time frame, if market break this resistance level close above this trend line, then we can open a buy trade towards this supply area. So this will be a nice trade if we can find a good candle close above this trend line. Second, if this didn't happen, market comes down, break this support level and close below this trend line, then we can open a sell trade. And our target almost here. This is a long-term target, but you can take 1 to 1-3 risk rewards for intraday trading. So these are two trading ideas for these levels. Buy above this level, sell below this level. And if market comes in this supply area, then we can see a good sell trade for long-term trading. So these three trading ideas for today. Basically, we are looking for 3 trades. Let's see which setup will we find. So these are the trading ideas of gold for today. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex groups. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel. And don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live updates from us. And if you are looking for a best Forex broker, then you can open your trading account on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker given in the description box. See you in next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.